Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making oha soup. If this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. Kindly subscribe. So let's get cooking. For the list of ingredients, kindly click on the description below. So here I'm adding stock water. Then I'm going to cover it and bring it to a boil. I'm going to add dry fish, stockfish, Kpomo, and goat meat. Then I'll cook it for about 3 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to add my palm oil. Crayfish, dry pepper, and ogiri. And I'm also going to cook it for another 4 minutes. Here I'm adding my seasoning cube, ede, which is the thickener, wow, as you can see, the soup is already getting thick. So I'm going to test it for salt because of the stock water I used, to know the amount of salt to add. Then I'll add my oha leaf. Stir it properly and leave it to cook for another 90 seconds to 2 minutes. Also, I'm not going to cover the pot. Oh wow, here is our oha soup and we're done. Thank you for watching and do have a fabulous week. Bye.